Hello guys, welcome to Romjo Hacks YouTube channel. And today we are going to look at how to filter the contents of a particular file using the grep and the pipe tool. So these are some of the most important tools which we use when you want to look at a particular word within your file. And for us to practice or to see how we can filter those files, we need a file. So you need to create a file, and I would like you create a file or a word list using the crunch tool. So if you don't know how to create the word list using the crunch, I would refer you to one of the videos which I made in the previous sessions on how to use the crunch tool. So right now I have my word list right here. So let me first open the terminal. And make sure I have the root user permissions. So if I ls here, let me first clear the screen. If I ls, the moment I ls, you can see I have some files. So this is my word list which I created earlier. And so I can open and we see what are the contents of that file. So cat, we're going to use cat, which is one of the tools or commands which you can use to open a particular file. So if I enter, you can see these are the contents, or this is my word list. And I'm very sure within my word list, I have the word or the string root. So as you can see, it will take me some time for me to locate that word root. So any hacker or any penetration tester, you should have the skill of filtering or sorting the contents of a particular of a certain file. So before we even go ahead and use the grep command or the grep tool, let's see how you can see the moment we list using the cat, it's like it's occupying the whole of our terminal, so that creating the need for us to scroll. So now what about if you don't want to scroll? You can use another command known as less. So let me show how to use it. Cat acme and grep. At the end now you type less. So what will happen? It will give you, or less will give you an opportunity to go through your file line by line with the use of or the help of the arrow key. So what you need is just to scroll using the arrow keys until you locate the word which you are looking for. In this case, I'm trying to look for a root command, and root is right there. I've been able to find whether my word list has the word root. So that tells me, or that means if I try to crack any system using the word root as the password, I'll be able to succeed in that task. So after that, you can press Q to quit. Press Q to quit. There is also another command known as more. There is also another command known as more, which works as the less command. And the usage or the syntax is just the same. So just type cat, the file name, acme, plus the pipe, and then more, just like that. The usage is just the same. So now let's go direct to grep. So the work of the grep is to directly give you or show you the word which you want or the word which you are looking for with the help of or by filtering or sorting. So what happens now, what we'll do is we'll just type cat and the name of the file plus pipe key. And then what is happening here, we are piping or taking the output of our command cat into the command grep, which will be able to filter and then give us the word or the words which have the string root. So what the work of the grep here is to find out or to find whether within my file here I have the word root, and then should be able to display all that. So The moment you enter, you will see first of all we have the string or the word root displayed there, and any other word or any other string with the word or any other word with the string root. That is the reason as to why you can see we have a few of them right there from the file hackme. So that is basically how important a grep command is. It doesn't matter what you are looking for. It can be a process. It can be a process. Let's say I start Apache here, service Apache to start. So if you want to find out whether your Apache is running, just as I showed you in the previous video tutorial, you can use the command ps aux with the help of pipe command, and also grep. Then to output, or we are looking for Apache. So at the end you type Apache. So you'll only get the results of your Apache or what you are looking for. In this case, you can see we have filtered. We have been able to filter the results, and then we are getting that our Apache is running. Apache is running. So the results of PS here AUX are being or are taken through the command grep for filtering. Then the output which you are getting there, or it's related to the service Apache only, other than getting all the services. When you type PS, you are getting a lot of services. So that is how important grep is. The next tutorial I'll be showing how to use sort, how to use the command sort, and sort also does the same as a grep. Sort also does the same as a grep. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you subscribe, share,